Assalamualaikum. This is the last tutorial of HTML tutorial where we will learn some tags of HTML which are called media tags, and it is also an important video and it is also the last video. So these are called media tags. For that reason we will name the file media.html. Enter yes. BS Visual Studio Code. So, and yes, our file is already opened and we will structure it as HTML5. I'll save it and type HTML media, save it. HTML media, save it and open it using live server. As you can see, it is opened. So I will type HTML media text. As you can see, these are the media tags. First of all, we will learn about image tag, which is not listed as a media tag, but we will learn it as we didn't learn it before. So in src, we have to type our image name. If I open it, copy the image address, paste it here, save it. Sorry, yes, now you can see it is appearing. So this is our image. We can set a height and weight 200 pixel, save it. It is 200 pixel. We also can set a wide, sorry, save it. As you can see, it is 200 pixel wide and 200 pixel height. We also can set percentage 20%, and I can save it. As you can see, it is now 20% of total websites. And there are some HTML media tags. If I click on HTML media, we'll able to see so many things here, like which file we can use. You can read it, it is very informative. I will highly recommend you to read it. And if I click on HTML video, as you can see, using a tag called video, we can use our own video. If I copy them and paste them here, you will not able to see anything because the movie mp4 and ogg is not be able to working, as it is not hosted. You will see an interface but it will not work, we all know. So I will add a video. Okay, I will add a video, probably add this video or this video, copy it, and I will paste it to my HTML tutorials folder. I will rename it video, and as you can see, it is working. And we also can download it from here. We can speed up and speed low. If we click on 2x, it will be fast. As you can see, it is fast. We can also slow it. Sorry. As you can see, it is now slow. 20, 21, it is too slow. If I click on download, it will be download. I will not download it. As well as we also can use it inside. So it is an interesting things. We also learned some attribute controls which can be used if the control is not appearing. Like the controls is already typed. If I delete it and save it, you will not able to control, play or download anything, because control attribute is used to see the controllers. If I add it, you will able to see the control bars. So it is source. We can use one source, no need for two. Okay, for audio we also can add a tag which is called audio tag. If I add an audio tag, you can use it src from here, or you can also use a tag. I will use, okay, let's try from here. Probably yes, we have some audio. I will copy them. Paste them here. Easy type st tutorial. Okay, if I save it, it is not appearing because we didn't use tag or control. If I save it, we will able to see the audio, which is mine, of course. So and from here we can control our volume. We can also mute it. We also can download it. We also can increase its to 2x. To create a table, you have to type the table tag. We can also lower it. So it's really interesting, and we learned about audio, video, as well as we also learned about image tag. Here are some HTML plugins. Well, I don't think that you have to learn them right now, because we will learn them in later. There is a HTML tag which is used for YouTube. As you can see, iframe. You probably learned it. I couldn't remember, but you can use it, iframe, to use your YouTube videos in your website. If I save it and save it, you will able to see the YouTube video here. Okay, that is the end of today's video, as well as it is the end of our HTML tutorial. And in our next tutorial we will cover about CSS, and I am giving you 1 week to rehearsal all of the things that you already learned, as well as I also have to prepare for my CSS course, as I don't have any member or team to make videos for you or to edit videos for me, of course. So I have to take some time, and I'm taking 1 week, also giving you 1 week to practice. Please practice a lot so you will be master this coding language. It is not a programming language. Remember, HTML is not a programming language. We previously discussed about this. So that is the end of HTML tutorial. Please I learned them from this website, as well as you can use MD and probably its name MDN. Yes, its name is MDN, which is from Mozilla organization. So you can learn more about HTML in the given period, and there are some interesting things. You can see the quiz HTML. You can attend the quiz section here. You can see hypertext markup language. Next, we will also cover about CSS in our next tutorial. So that is the end of today's tutorial. Until my next upload, I hope you will be fine. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.